Hey guys, Adrian back with Redwater Dodge, the home of Riggerty Rams, Riggerty Approves, and Riggerty Used. Right beside me here, 2020 Ram 3500 Limited, guys. This truck is powered by the 6.7 Cummins. We got the Chrome Accessory Package on this thing, so it's chromed right out from factory, which looks amazing. We do have 360 camera, front-facing camera, parking sensors, wraparound projector-style quad-beam LED headlights, 20-inch wheels, some nice Toyo open country tires. We do have blind spot monitoring built in the mirrors with the cameras on the side. Power side steps, full gem interior, guys, auxiliary switches. We got Harmon Kardon, full sunroof, blacked out interior with the headliner, the nice tassels all through the interior, all-weather floor mats front and rear. Even here, rear heated seats, 60/40 bench which flips up. Power side steps work nice. That's on both front, our passenger and drivers. Class 5 hitch receiver. We do have a fifth wheel prep package, guys. Bed utility group with the lighting and the extra tow hooks. High mount camera for your fifth wheel and 360. Coming around, does have auto level rear suspension too for all those heavy loads. 167 or 172,000 kilometers, my apologies. Adaptive cruise, so it has safety advanced package and all the fun stuff, guys. So this truck is loaded right up. For more information, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.